Hello kids. So previously we had gone through the hare and tortoise. Okay. So in hare and tortoise we observed that there was a race between hare and tortoise, and at last the tortoise had won just by walking slowly and slowly as the hare was sleeping. But today we are going to learn another one, the race where you find differently. So why this one is very different from the other thing? So if you observe, if you see here the race, the story, you can see it is not in a forest. Just by looking the picture you can say it is near a school. Can you see the hare? It is teasing the tortoise. So let us see hare and tortoise lesson, the race lesson. Okay, now we want to make predictions about a new story by making connections. So how this story, the race story, is different from the hare and tortoise. So we are taking two stories. The first one is the hare and tortoise, which we had gone through previously. And the other one is the race lesson. So the race. So we are going to make prediction. What do you mean by prediction? We are going to guess the story before, not just by reading totally. So only few topics from this lesson we are going to read, and basing on that we are going to guess the other things about a new story by making connections. So old story, the hare and tortoise, the new story, the race. We are going to connect both the stories and we are going to find and we are going to predict about the story. Okay, so now let us read the story, the race.
Children, by seeing the picture, whom can you remember here? What story can you remember here? Because today our aim is to make predictions about a new story by making connections, but it seems to be old story, isn't it? The hare and the tortoise we can see here. And even the title of the story is the race. It means that they both are going to have a race. Previously we heard the lesson, we read the lesson hare and tortoise where they are going to have a race. So let us see whether these both stories are same or not. See, what is the genre of this? It is a folk tale, means the story which is coming from many years. Yes? So it contains some character, it contains some moral which is really very important for us. It tells us some moral so that we can change ourselves. Yes, there will be some characters who will be learning the lesson, and there will be some characters who will be teaching the lesson in this. Now let us see what is going to happen in this story, the race. So let us see page number 63. Can you see there? Oh, it is not in a forest. Can you see, just seeing the pictures and everything? We can say sometimes we are able to predict the story just by seeing the pictures. So here in these pictures we can see they both are having bags, a school bag, and there is school here. So here the tortoises are not, the tortoise and hare are not there in a forest, but they are there in a school. Now let us see what is happening. Is it the story like the hare and tortoise, or there is any difference in the story basing on the character, basing on the events and everything? Hira, hare and Tutu tortoise were neighbors. They even went to the same school. Oh, here the characters got their names, Hira and Totu. So the hare is having a name, Hira, and tortoise name is Totu, and they are neighbors. They live side by side. They even went to the same house, same school. So they went to same school. They live in the same area and they are going together to school. So that means they are friends. Let us see what's happening. Toto was friendly and helpful here. What is the character of Toto? Toto was very friendly with all and he is helpful. That means he helps to everyone. These are the adjectives which are explaining about the Toto. Yes, Toto is friendly and Toto is helpful. He always had a smile on his face and everyone liked him because he smiles and he loves everyone. He is friendly and he is helpful. Normally everyone will like Toto. Hira was jealous. In previous story we observed that always the hare teased the tortoise, but here we can find that they both are friends, but Hira was jealous. I am so smart and so fast. I am better than him, thought Hira. I should be the popular one. But when all of them like a tortoise because of its helping nature and friendly nature. Tortoise here, the Hira became jealous and it thought to itself, I am so smart and so fast. So it is thinking itself as smart and fast. I am better than him. So better is the adjective, comparative adjective which we learned before, followed by than. And it thought that I should be the popular one because everyone are liking Totu. So it thought that I must be popular. But let us see what happened. Whenever he saw Totu, Hira made fun of him. So what happened in Hare and Tortoise and here in the race? Just try to compare because we want to write the similarities and differences between these two stories later. So try to compare what is happening in the story. Is it really happening in the Hare and Tortoise and race? Both stories you must be able to compare. Each and every event try to listen carefully. Hira made fun of him here. Hira made fun of Totu, the tortoise. Your name should be Slowpoke, not Totu, he would say. So what is the meaning of Slowpoke? A person if walks too slow and is always too slow in something, we call him as Slowpoke. That is the word they use to comment. So here Hira said to Totu that your name must be Slowpoke. Totu never said anything to Hira, but he felt bad. He knew he was slow, but there was nothing he could do about it. That was just how he was. Now see how sad Tortoise is. Can you see her face? Yes, it thought that. Okay, didn't say any word badly towards the Hira, but really it felt very bad when Hira is making fun of Tortoise. And what did he thought? Totu thought that he is slow because it is according to the nature. He is walking slow, but he cannot do anything. He can't run like the Hira. So what he thought? He thought that I cannot do that, so I can't do. That was just how he was. So how he was, he like himself and others also like him. So he doesn't bother much about the way how he is. He like himself. So normally we also, whatever we are, we must accept. We must not think about others or something which we doesn't have. Now let us move to the next page, page number 64. Can you see they both are talking and making fun of each other? Okay. One day Totu was walking back from school when Hira called out Slowpoke and laughed. Totu couldn't take it anymore. Why are you so mean? He asked. Hira was surprised. Totu had never said anything to him before. I am not mean, he said. You're just a slowpoke. That's a fact. Totu stared at Hira for a minute. Then he said, let's run a race from the end of our street to the school gate. If you win, I will give you 10 carrots. But if you lose... Now Totu started to talk back because until now, whenever Hira is commenting, she didn't say anything, but now she cannot bear more. She cannot tolerate her comments, her making fun of her. So what she said, while walking, when Hira commented and said slowpoke, so Totu said, why are you so mean? Here the word mean means why you are unkind. He is not kind towards others but always unkind to others, and he doesn't bother about others, then we call them as mean. So he said, why are you mean? Now when Totu talked back, Hira was surprised. Until now she didn't talk. But now why she is asking questions? Why the tortoise are asking questions? So he thought so and he said, I am not mean. So what did he said? He said that I am not mean. You are just a slowpoke. That's a fact. Whatever the fact is that I am talking about the fact. Because you are walking too slow, that's why I am calling you slowpoke. It is the fact and I am talking the fact. How come you say me mean? He said. Totu stared at Hira for a minute now. It stayed. What is the meaning of stayed? Looking at someone continuously because of some shock or because of some surprise. If we look at them continuously for some time, then we say stayed. So here Toto stayed at Hira for a minute. Then he said, let's run a race now. It asked her, the Toto tortoise asked Hira to have a race till the end of their street to the from the end of their street to the school gate. And it kept a condition that if she win, if the Hira is going to win, tortoise is going to give 10 carrots to Hira. And it said, if you lose, now see what happens. Now Hira was rolling on the ground with laughter. Do you know why it is laughing? When Toto tortoise said that if you lost, so it thought that it cannot be because Hira runs very fast, so it thought that it may not lose the race, so it started laughing. Lose a race against you, he screamed. Now he shouted like anything, saying that how come I lose a race against you? You are too slow and I run too fast. How come I lose the game? So it screamed, holding his stomach. See how it is laughing? How the Hira hair is laughing? Now, oh, you are too funny. If you lost, said Toto firmly. You will stop calling me slowpoke? Now, Toto the tortoise, it said very firmly, if you lost, okay, though it is funny, I am very serious. It said that if you lose, what will you do? Will you stop calling me slowpoke? What did the Hira hair told now? Done. Hold Hira. Hold means if they make a long loud sound, then we say hold, HOWLED. Hold means making a long sound, loud sound. They are making a sound which is really very loud, then we say hold. Done. So in a loud voice it said done. He was laughing so hard that there were tears running down his face. Sometimes even if we laugh for more time, then what happens? The tears come out from the eyes. So the same thing happened when Hira hair is laughing. So we can observe that when he was laughing, tears are coming from his eyes. So they are running down his face. Now let us see what happened in page number 65. See the picture and try to guess. Oh, now can you see there are 4 tortoises, not one, but there are 4 here. In the hare and tortoise story, we saw only one tortoise, but can you see all tortoises, the 4 tortoises are similar. Now, can you guess what might happen in the story? Okay, let us read first and let us predict what is going to happen. They decided to run the race in the morning. So early in the morning, next day, they thought to run the race. Now Toto went home and spoke to his brothers. He had a plan. He gave each of them a white hanky. You meet Hira tomorrow with this hanky at the end of the street, he told his brother Kesha. So he told to his first brother Kesha. Now Toto tortoise went to her home and it spoke to his brothers. They had a plan. He had a plan. So here all the characters are he. So they are boys only. So he had a plan. Even Hira here is a boy. And the Toto tortoise and brothers all are boys. So it is a pronoun he. So what plan do you think they had? Can you see the hankies in their hands? Now Toto said to his first brother Kesha to go and meet Hira tomorrow at the end of the street, because they thought to have a race from the end of the street to the school gate. Now what is he telling to other one? So first brother name is Kesha. You wait near the clock tower with this hanky, he told his brother, the second brother Tilak. Now he told the Hira will come and meet you at clock tower. So you want to meet him at the clock tower with this hanky. Now Toto tortoise told to his second brother Tilak to meet Hira at the clock tower with the same hanky. And you wait near the mall, he told his third brother Jeggu. Can you see third brother Jeggu? Now Toto tortoise told to his brother Jeggu to wait near the mall. And I will wait near the school gates with this one, he said, waving his own. Now all got the handkeys and they thought to meet. So Toto Tortoise is going to stay near the school gates. Okay, so they have a plan. Do you know what the plan is? Can you guess who is going to win the race? Yes, let us predict the story ourselves. Let us think ourselves what is going to happen. So in our next class we are going to discuss regarding this. So what happened now? The brothers grinned. They all looked so alike. Grinning means to give a smile. So the brothers all smiled. They have a plan now. They smiled to each other and they started. They all looked so alike. Can you see them all? Now where is Kesha going? Where is Tilak going? And where is Jegu? Three brothers, Kesha, Tilak and Jegu. Let us think and let us see in next class whether our prediction is going to be true or not. Okay.
Read the story, The Race. So children, so there is a difference between the hare and tortoise and the race. You can find the difference in the characters, in the setting, and also the way they are thinking. Yes? So what are these? What is the difference you want to find and you are going to predict? So basing on this, you want to write your volume, page number 6, comparing characters and settings. So only the characters and settings we are going to compare here. Now if you see the first one, answer the questions to the first part of the story, The Race. Who are the characters in the story? So if you find who are the characters in the story. Now second one, where does the story take place? So you want to find where the story take place. Now third one, how is the setting in this story different from the story The Hare and the Tortoise? Now coming to D, how are the characters in the story similar to the characters in The Hare and the Tortoise? How are the characters from both the stories different? So basing on both the stories, you want to complete this. And what prediction you are going to do? Just check it out. So you want to complete the sentence and explain your choice. So I think the Toto, the tortoise. Here, the name of the tortoise is Toto, and what do you think what will happen to Toto here? So think. You just think what will happen to Toto tortoise. Is it going to win the race or is it going to lose the race? You think yourself and try to complete the volume by writing in your own sentences. Okay children? So the other part of the lesson we are going to continue in our next class and find what is going to happen. So now you predict yourself, and the next class we can continue just by knowing what happened to Toto now. Okay children? Thank you very much.